Hello, 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 my independent DIYers. Life According to Kay is on now. AJ, lead us to the car. Okay, here we are. Time for another episode of Life According to Kay. Woo, let's go. Hey guys, it's Christina here again from Life According to Kay. And I bet you thought we were finished with the LED lights, huh? But no cigar. We are going to continue today, and I am going to go ahead and get started on the cargo lights and the license plate lights. Life According to Kay loading now. Let go. All right, guys. So like you, I have lots of things in my car normally in the cargo bed. Again, this is a 2017 Santa Fe Sport all-wheel drive. Not that that part matters, but some of you who really like to be out in nature get what I'm saying when I say that. Anyway, back to what we're talking about. It's really important to have really good lighting in the cargo area, right? So previous, as you can see up in the front, we did the LED lights for the front cabin area, and it looks amazing. My door is open in the driver's side, so that's why that light is on and the other one is not. And you can see the difference here. This one is yellow, that one's white. So we got to get this one changed out, and just like the other one, we're going to go through the same process. So follow along with me, let's go. All right, so like a lot of you guys, I like to spend a lot of time in my SUV. AJ and I do a lot of camping. We go out and visit ranches often in the northern Arizona area. That's where I live, is in Arizona. And so it's really, really important to have good lighting, to have really good safety, and part of that is really taking care of your vehicle. If you're a nature person and you need to get out to these places, but you live maybe in more of a city environment, you know how important it is to take care of your car and do the things that you can do on your own, so you don't have to spend a lot of money going out and enjoying life and getting the comfort and calm that you need that you get from nature. So I spend a lot of my time in the bed of my car, right? So I've done car camping, I've done tent camping, I've done RV camping, trailer camping, and my car is a great little combination of both. So the lighting is huge, and what we're gonna do today is just what we did before. Those of you who saw my previous video, go ahead and check it out here. I'll put it up here, and I'll also put it down in the description so you know where to find it. The previous videos on doing your own LED lights, and I did the front cabin as well as the dome lights, so the map lights and the dome lights. And we're continuing on with the license plate lights and the cargo lights, okay? So I have my lovely kit here, and I'll show you. Handy dandy fire, okay? They are not sponsoring this, but I absolutely love their kits that they have on Amazon. This kit is covering the whole lighting interior job that I'm doing, and I'm doing it in pieces so you all can see. And it's phenomenal, okay? Once again, it has a tool so that you can pop out the lighting fixture cover here that you see. I'll show you the lighting fixture cover I'm talking about. Okay, it also has the lights themselves. They come in a baggie, and it also has a guide as to which one goes where. And it gives you information on where to place them. Okay, so super, super handy. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. Let's go. And something I didn't mention in my previous video that's super important is not just the price you pay, which is $26 if you get a kit like this on Amazon, but also the fact that for interior lights, the LEDs will warranty for 2 years from this company. And for exterior lights, the warranty will be for a year. However, if any of you have had LEDs in your home or you've had LEDs in any other part of your life, you know that though it's warranted, these things last for a really long time. So I know that we're going to get good quality out of this because it's just been phenomenal using them so far. So it's definitely worth it versus going to a shop or going to auto parts store and paying what you saw in my auto parts LED lights video. I think you come out on the better side if you
So we go ahead and get started with opening with our tool.
All right, so
then ew bugs. Insert the LED light in place. Pop the cover back in, and voila, LED. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time, lifers.